Are you a creative, looking for a profitable venture? Look no further. In this series of videos, today I am going to discuss the scrunchie business. You will get to learn every step of starting a profitable scrunchie business, from choosing the right materials and designing your products to marketing and selling your scrunchies. I have got you covered with all the tips and tricks you need to succeed. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, our step-by-step guide will help you navigate the ins and outs of starting a scrunchie business. So grab your supplies and let's get started on creating the perfect scrunchie empire. So, what's the delay? Let's get started. A scrunchie business involves designing and selling scrunchies, which are elastic bands with fabric, or other materials, attached to them that are used to hold the hair in place. To start a scrunchie business, you will need raw materials, a sewing machine, and some equipment, as well as packaging material and a website to promote and sell it. Step 1. Conduct a proper market research. Conducting market research is essential for any business, and it's especially important when it comes to launching a new product, like scrunchies. By understanding your target audience, competitors, and industry trends, you'll be able to make informed decisions about your scrunchie business and position it for success. Step 2. Write a scrunchie business plan. When it comes to starting a scrunchie business, there are a few things you need to take into. The first is to write a business plan that outlines your goals and strategies for achieving success. Your business plan should include business description, market research, your competitive landscape, product or service you are offering, financial planning and funding, raw material and equipment list, marketing strategy, and details about your team and staff. Step 3. Calculate your startup cost. It is easy to calculate the initial cost of the scrunchie business. It does not require much investment, and you will be able to start it from home with less budget. It does not require any skill, legal requirements, or a large space. You can expand it as much as you want. If you have more investment and want to open a bigger store, then you can do it as a team. The investment required for buying a sewing machine, equipment cost, raw material cost, packaging cost, website setup, and advertising and marketing costs. Step 4. Buy all equipment and supplies for scrunchie. To start a scrunchie business, you will need a variety of equipment and supplies. You will need fabric in different colors and patterns to create a range of scrunchie styles. You will also need elastic to use as the base of the scrunchie. In addition to fabric and elastic, you will need sewing supplies such as scissors, thread, and a needle to cut and sew the fabric into the scrunchie shape. You may also want to invest in a sewing machine to help speed up the production process. Other supplies to consider include labels or tags to brand your scrunchies, packaging materials to package and ship the scrunchies to customers, and marketing materials to promote your business. All the materials are available at online and offline stores. If you want to buy from Amazon, then check out my affiliate link given below. Step 5. Learn how to make a scrunchie. Do you know how to make a scrunchie? If not, don't worry, it's quite easy. There are several ways to learn how to make scrunchies. Take a class. Many fabric stores, community centers, and online platforms offer classes on how to make scrunchies. These classes can be a great way to learn the basics and get hands-on experience. Follow a tutorial. There are many online tutorials and videos that demonstrate the steps for making scrunchies. You can find these by searching online or on YouTube. Experiment on your own. You can also try making scrunchies by experimenting on your own. Start by gathering some fabric and elastic, and then follow the basic steps for making a scrunchie. You may need to try a few times to get the hang of it, but this can be a fun way to learn and get creative. Step 6. Packaging your scrunchie. To sell the product in the market, it has to be well packaged. This protects the product, and thereby increases the interest of the user. Some materials will be required for packaging. You can do it with all materials online. Do not use more expensive boxes or materials for packaging, which will give you less profit. As a scrunchie is not very expensive, the cost of a pack is from $5 to $15, and 6 to 10 scrunchies per pack. When you do the packaging, you can give your logo and sticker, website details, email, social media ID, and a little description of the product. Step 7. Sell and promote your product. Determine how you will promote your business and reach potential customers. This could include social media marketing, online advertising, and networking with fashion bloggers and influencers. This is the easiest and most profitable method to sell Scrunchie. Here the method to sell your Scrunchie. Build a professional website, sell Scrunchie on Instagram, create different social media profile, run paid ads on Google and Facebook. I hope you got the proper information. If have other doubts, then ask me in the comment, like, share, subscribe to my channel, also hit the bell icon.